What's up? This poem's called Love Files. You want the truth? You can't handle the truth. I've liked you since I was 16. I'm not an actor, but let me tell you the scene. I walked you home all the time, and it wasn't to view the scenery. But I was held back from your heart, treachery. I switched schools, but the feeling never left. I watched as you killed yourself, watched as you loved to death. Only to see love as a bullet, but the gun was in your hand and you chose to pull it. I then tried to bite the bullet you shot, but all I could do was box out because a rebound was all I got. But when the ball was put into play, it was a choice of Vince versus McGrady, and you let these Raptors convince you Vince all the way. But it's quite alright, baby girl, it's okay. For that case is closed and gone away. It's now time for the defendant to come into play. The touch of your lips makes me want more. The embrace of your arms never closes like a 24-hour convenience store. Your heart stepped on more than the sidewalk at Young and Bloor, and I've seen tears roll down your eyes, a sight I've never seen before. But to just take away that hurt and love you from head to floor, your eyes could never see what loving me had in store. So you say it's timing, and I'm never on it. Maybe it's time you got a new watch, time you pawned it, and see what it is that you're missing from me. And see what love was like when you just kissed me. You want the truth? You can't handle the truth. So I just stay here and close my eyes. Close my files and plead the fifth on your love all the while.